Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. I'm just going to do some more work on the upturned iron as a mini hot plate. And this time what we're going to do is just load the sole plate with wax and then flex a piece of card around in it. It'll be a bit like grass. So it's a bit like when you do the lifting and dabbing on your iron, right? And you can add more colour. So we can add a bit of red violet, and we can add a bit of another green, some orange, some pink, some yellow. You're all thinking, what is he going to do? Right, let's go for it. On and off. Let's see what we get. Get it on there first, then see what we get. I'm not worried. Have fun with encaustic, but be careful. Watch your fingers because these are hot tools, but please have fun. We've got, wow, something there. We could, if we'd have had another iron the other way up, we could have easily made that into a cave, but I don't really want to. But I quite like that as it is. What I'm going to do, let that dry. So what we're going to do is pick which bits of this we really like and which way around we like it, and go from there. So we've got, I like it sort of two ways round. Looks like sort of under the sea. But what I thought I'd do is just take the scribing tool and just scrape some bits in it, just to, want a better way, just add to. All I'm doing really is adding another texture, just lightly really around the here. All I'm doing really is adding another texture. So I'm not really drawing anything specific, I'm just adding another texture. And then when you feel you've done what you want to do, you just give it a light polish and it'll start to shine up as well. It's surprising how much of a difference that will make to this little piece. And it might only be an abstract, but just created on the back of that upturned iron and then a little bit of scraping. I just think it's quite cool. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Take care and hopefully we'll see you again. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.